Today, we have a challenge set forth! Oh, for kings, not men!
And we got 50 feet of fish over here. You know, I really want to help my vitality a lot. You know, I want to come harder. I want to fuck harder, you know. I also got some extra virgin olive oil, you know, made by all the virgins in Naples. Yeah, that's the greatest breast milk I've ever had. And then, I've got something so creamy. Tartar sauce, just like cutting all over my lips and face. And next, I, Johnny Longarms, have some liver and chicken dinner, cat food, and the plan is to give Santa Claus a lobotomy. Snip, snip, squeeze the brains right out of your ears. So, it's going to be great. You know, I really love fish. You know, good fish tastes like good pussy, you know, so I thought, wow, that's pretty wet over there. Hey, oh. Yeah, sorry guys, let me get you off the floor. Yeah. Let me eat a couple more. Oh, yeah, look at that. Finding Nemo. Yeah, just like the first time I found puss. Yeah, I was 6 years old. She was like a 29-year-old supermodel. Yeah. Oh, look at this little guy. Yeah, he's gotta live, he's gotta survive, you know, for the youth. Yeah. How about I eat you for the youth? There's a lot of... Yeah, it's a fight for survival, you know? Just like sperm trying to impregnate a broad, you know, that I've got about I got about 4 kids from 7 different birds. You do the fucking math. I got some extra virgin. I promise she was over 18 years old. I smell it. Oh, it's all right. You know, only got a little. Only got a little left. Yeah, it looks like that little guy doesn't like the oil either, you know? Yeah, I feel like I'm about to do anal. Look at all this fucking lube. Oh, this lube. I feel like I just had a nice night with Julio. I remember when he found me in the wilderness. Oh, I've got too much cum on my fingers. Don't you love my pigtails? Don't I look like the schoolgirl slut? I always underestimate the amount of cum in my head. It looks so thick. Oh yeah, explode just like Julio. Just how Julio explodes. I love a nice fish salad. You know what else I love? I really love tossing salad. Wow. This reminds me of my bukkake trip. Don't worry. Hopefully no fish are pregnant, or else some fish will get pregnant when they come in contact with Julio's cum. In my stomach. Oops. Looks like I had a little overload of cum. You know. Sorry, I rubbed some cum on my fucking hat.
Oh, the smell. Oh, thank you. It's coming out. Now I know why cats are pissed off all the time, viewers.
Yeah, time to give Santa Claus a nice little lobotomy. Yeah, nice and oily. You know, I love pastry. I'm sorry, Santa. Yeah. Yeah, it's real warm. You know, I really feel like having a drink. You know, I think that'd really be good.
I'm gonna prepare your favorite cocktail, sir.
Oh, that sounds splendid.
Apple cider vinegar.
Oh, God, my favorite. You know, I really love apple cider vinegar, almost as much as I love pussy, you know?
Here you go, sir.
You know, last time I found my bro, I felt like I was Thor. I used my hammy, you know. Yeah, I love this drink. You know. Bah. And that concludes the challenge, viewers. Until next time. And if a viewer would like, for $20 you can own this vomit-covered Santa Claus hat in the mail. It still has so much. Don't you just love it? I'm still the schoolgirl slut, even though I got a little bit drunk at the frat party last night and have jungle juice, and my mom's gonna think, ugh, I'm a little slut, because I am. But, you know, sometimes it's alright to be a little slut. Sorry, viewers. Okay. Fuck! Oh god! A fucking cyclone! Oh fuck! We do that one again.